Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Certainly. Making changes to or calling a method in a running thread in Python can be achieved using the threading module. In this tutorial, we'll go through the process step by step with code examples. Threading allows you to run multiple threads, smaller units of a process, concurrently. In Python, the threading module provides a way to create and manage threads. First, let's create a simple class with a method that we want to run in a separate thread. In this example, my_method is a simple method that prints a message every second. The stop_thread method sets the is_running flag to false, indicating that the thread should stop. Now, let's create an instance of the MyThread class and run the my_method in a separate thread. In this example, we create a thread, set its target to the my_method of our MyThread instance, start the thread, let it run for 5 seconds, and then stop it. If you want to make changes to a running thread, you can define additional methods in your class and call them as needed. For example, let's modify the MyThread class to allow changing the sleep interval dynamically. Now, you can change the sleep interval while the thread is running. This tutorial covers the basics of running threads in Python, stopping them, and making changes to a running thread. Remember to handle thread synchronization if your methods involve shared resources. Threading can be a powerful tool when used correctly, but it requires careful consideration to avoid issues such as race conditions. ChatGPT